Let's talk about Helldivers. Crash on start, a fix in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But don't give up on Liberty just yet. We understand the frustration of being grounded when the galaxy calls for heroes. In this broadcast, we'll dive deep into comprehensive troubleshooting tips and proven solutions to get your Helldivers up and running, ensuring you can return to the front lines and deliver freedom across the galaxy.
All right. Helldiver, first things first, we need to ensure your game files aren't corrupted or incomplete. Head over to Steam, right-click Helldivers, go to Properties, then Install Files, and hit the Verify Integrity of Game Files for our PlayStation. Comrades, try rebuilding your database through Safe Mod. This can often clear up system inconsistencies that lead to crashes. Next up, let's make sure all your crucial software is up to date. Players, ensure your graphics, drivers, NVIDIA, VAN, or Intel are the absolute latest versions directly from the manufacturer's website. So users, double-check that your console system software is fully updated. Sometimes a pending update can cause instability with newer games. This step is critical for smooth deployment. Sometimes Windows permissions can be the enemy. The Helldivers try running Helldivers as an administrator by right-clicking the game icon and selecting Run as Administrator. Also, third-party overlays like Discord or DeForce Experience can interfere. Try disabling them temporarily to see if it resolves the crash. Less interference means more managed democracy. If all else fails, the fresh start might be in order. The complete reinstallation of Helldivers after deleting all residual files can often resolve deeply rooted issues on both consoles. For you might also want to clear your game shader key often found in the user profile directory. This ensures you're starting with a completely clean slate ready to div.